Good afternoon, Kevin at Crayford Abbs here on this bright sunny afternoon when the world is full of concern, quite rightly so, for coronavirus. We're doing everything we can and have been for several days now by sanitising our showroom and all our cars, both on arrival and when they come back to you. It's important that we can continue to run in business, as indeed everyone is saying the same. So moving forward, under www.crayfordabs.co.uk, you don't need to leave your home. You can book your car in for service, MOT, smart repair, or indeed a car sale, and we'll respond. We operate a free collection and delivery service. We have a loan car system. You can leave your key out and we'll arrange to collect the car, so therefore you don't need to have any contact with us. But we are anxious to continue in business, so please help us to work with you in any way possible. From a car sales perspective, we're still marching along with our Red Tag event, which runs until the end of March. There are some fantastic offers on, but once again, you might feel reluctant to join us in the showroom. So please contact us, tell us of the car of your choice. We'll arrange a video to be sent by return to your home. You can watch the car, we can discuss details, work out the deal, and have the car delivered to your home. We'll be very pleased to hear from you in any constructive way possible to help us all to work together. That way the world will continue. I thank you for your time. Thank you.